Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add grocery reminders to Google Task on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Gemini Live adds a new task to your Google Task list with the correct due date. So let me show you how to do this. Here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. In Gemini, we'll go ahead and open up Gemini Live. Now we'll go ahead and ask it to add something to our Google Task. So let's just say I want to buy milk. So I'll ask it to remind me to buy milk tomorrow evening. Please remind me to buy milk tomorrow evening in Google Task.
I've added a reminder to buy milk for tomorrow evening in Google Tasks.
So now let's go ahead and confirm this. So we'll go ahead and open up Google Task. And here, as you can see, tomorrow, it has basically added a reminder to buy milk. So this is great for managing errands and shopping lists, so your reminder stays synced with Google account, so you'll see them anywhere you log in on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is how to add grocery reminders to Google Task using your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.